hello you people in YouTube land. How do you do? Yes, we are in Chinatown, heading to this place called Mawell Food Center. And the reason why we are coming here is because I come here quite often. Sometimes when I'm here, I see that this particular store has a queue. So I was curious, and I want to see why do people queue up for this place here, because the food there doesn't look that fantastic. Yep. So this is the place called Zhong Roasted Delights. So they sell roasted meats. As you can see there, different types of roasted meats. Yep. So I got a few things from them. As you can see, I got this plate here with 3 different types of meat with rice. Look at that. Got barbecue pork, which is char siu. We also got some duck, and then some roast pork, which is siu yong. And then underneath that, there is some rice, some pickled vegetables there, some cucumber, and a bit of pork lard with a bit of soup too. And then I saw, they have something that I don't normally eat, which is the chicken feet. Yes, the chicken feet looks very dark. Yep. Braised chicken feet with some mushroom. Yep, something I don't normally eat, so this is my meal. Yep. Okay, so first of all is the char siu, which is a bit okay, looks okay. A bit reddish, as you can see. Also not very fatty, a bit of vegetables, pickled vegetables, and the duck. The duck with a nice skin on top of it. The skin does look good. Roast duck. Yep, the skin does look good, doesn't it? Yep. And then, of course, you have the roast pork with the crispy skin on top. And yep, the unusual food. Look at that. Okay. Doesn't look very appetizing. It looks like a hand reaching up from hell, trying to grab you and bring you down with it. Anyway, and then some soup too. So where shall we get started? Okay. We definitely have to try some of the barbecue pork or the char siu first. The char siu or the barbecue pork, a bit reddish. Nice sweet meaty. Next up, let's try some of the roast duck. Ooh, look at that. A bit, quite meaty piece of duck. Okay, the skin itself is not crispy, quite soft already. Okay. Yep, other than that, what else do we have? Yes, my favorite, the roast pork or the siu yong. A bit tough, but the skin super crispy. Bulky. Yep. Let's try some of the soup. Wash down some of the meat. The soup is a bit light, a bit herbally, but really very light. Like soup. Look at that pork. Are they pork skin? Yeah, I do not know whether it's a pork skin or pork butt. I think the skin. what I really want to try is the skin of the duck. Look at that. Oh, the skin of the duck. They've been roasted the duck, and so the skin here should be super crispy, super flavorful. That's all the seasoning. Not crispy, but definitely has a nice flavor to it. Now let's have some rice. Mix it up nicely with the sauce. The sauce on the rice is nice. And finally, mushroom. The braised mushroom. This is the of the dish here, the easiest to eat. That's nice. Like burst of flavor. Wherever they braise the sauce in, and transform into the mushroom. Now, how do you eat this? And now for the most how do I say this? Unpretty, the most visually unexciting, the one that looks so. It's coming for you! It's coming for you! The evil hand. Yep. So basically, you just bite it and then just suck off the skin and the cartilage and everything, and then spit out the bones. I'll start with one finger first. Definitely whatever it is, the sauce here. Sauce. Oh, super flavorful. I think this is what you pour into the rice also. So basically inside the finger of the chicken, the feet, a bit of cartilage and a lot of skin. So basically they go and wash it up nicely first. Then only they braise it for a very long time in the sauce. So the skin, everything has been absorbing all the braising sauce, and doesn't look appealing, but taste wise not bad, as long as you can get over the visuals. Definitely get over the visuals, but flavor wise here, very good. There's a nice lot of spices in here. Also I think white spice powder, star anise kind of flavor. Not bad. The sauce, nice. The meat itself, I just honestly I'm not a fan of the char siu that's red in color, because normally it's a bit dry. The meats are a bit tough too. Duck also was a bit okay lah. But question not so bad. A bit tender because they cut it thinly. Nice sweet flavor. Duck. It's okay. The barbecue pork is a bit tough, but super crispy and a bit salty. Chicken feet, they do it well. Chicken feet, very nice. But I think most people who come here don't order the chicken feet. They come to order, eat the roast meat. Roast meat is okay lah. I wouldn't say it's terrible, but okay lah. But the sauce they use to flavor the rice, not bad. Okay. So the sauce that I used to braise the chicken feet is slightly more savory, slightly more of the herbs and spices in there, and then the one they use for the char siu sauce. So if you do like more flavor, you should add some of the sauce into your rice too. And of course the mushroom. you ever wondered how to eat chicken feet? Yep. So basically, what you need to do is you need to take the feet, the whole feet, and then just stuff it all into your mouth. And if the chicken feet has been braised and cooked for a very long time, everything should just pop into your mouth. It will be inside there will be the skin, will be the cartilage, will be a bit of meat, and then lots and lots and lots and lots of bones. Yes, all the joints of the feet. Yep. So you just slowly spit out all the bones. Yep. And the bones will be a never-ending spitting out thing of bones. Many bones. Yep. It's not over yet. Still more bones. Yep. That's how you eat chicken feet.
Lots of bones.
And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Join me for my next video. Bye bye.